Donald Trump has been back in office for less than a month, and he, along with Elon Musk and senior administration officials, have already plunged the nation into an ongoing constitutional crisis. They have openly engaged in acts of lawlessness and corruption, while threatening to scrutinize judges who oppose his actions against the U.S. Constitution and legal limits on his power. On a Saturday afternoon during President's Day weekend, the twice-impeached president and convicted felon was, to his credit, honest about his beliefs. He thinks he can break any law he wants. "He who saves his country does not violate any law," Trump posted online twice. The president felt strongly about this sentiment, which some observers noted seemed to be based on a possibly fake quote from Napoleon. He shared it on his Truth Social site as well as on Musk's platform X, formerly known as Twitter. A White House spokesperson did not immediately respond to a request for further comment on Saturday. Trump's statement bears a clear resemblance to disgraced President Richard Nixon's infamous line that, "When the president does it, that means that it is not illegal." Like Nixon, Trump has now explicitly stated that he believes he is above the law, as any authoritarian ruler might. According to this logic, if he is doing or ordering something that he claims is saving the nation, constitutional limits and legal restrictions do not apply. It does not hurt his and his party's cause that the Supreme Court's conservative supermajority agrees with this premise in many ways. Just last year, the court's conservative justices supported Trump's claims to sweeping presidential immunity, ruling that the president is immune from prosecution for any official acts committed while in office. Moreover, it certainly benefits Trump that virtually the entire Republican Party and conservative movement elite support him, disregarding laws. Although it may be objectively shocking that a modern American president would repeatedly admit to this without fear of significant pushback on a random Saturday, it is regrettably unsurprising for this particular president. Trump and his legal and political lieutenants have long planned what a second term in the Oval Office would look like for him. For years, they have firmly decided on a ruling legal philosophy of raw power, defined by a simple response to their critics. "What are you going to do about it?" as one conservative lawyer involved in planning Trump's ongoing strategy described it tersely. This is just the current state of affairs in the nominally Democratic United States. There are roughly 200 more weeks to go of this.